ஓம் ஐம் ஹ்ரீம் ஸ்ரீம் ஐம் க்ளீம் சௌம் ஹம்ச சிவ சோஹம் மத்க்ரீம் மதக்ஷமரயூம் மதோம் சக்ஷமரவீம் சௌம் ஸ்வரூப நிரூபணே தவேத் குருவே ஸ்ரீ அன்னபூர்ணாம் பாதைதம் ஸ்ரீ அமிர்தானந்தநாத சரஸ்வதி ஸ்ரீ குரு ஸ்ரீ பாதுகாம் பௌர்யாமி தர்ப்பயாம நமः. ஐம் ஹ்ரீம் ஸ்ரீம் ஐம் க்ளீம் சௌம் ஹம்ச சிவ சோஹம் மத்க்ரீம் மதக்ஷமரவயூம் மதோம் சக்ஷமரவீம் சௌம் ஸ்வரூப நிரூபண ஹேதுவேது குருவே ஸ்ரீ அன்னபூர்ணாம்பா சைதம் ஸ்ரீ அமிர்தானந்தநாத சரஸ்வதி ஸ்ரீ குரு ஸ்ரீ பாதுகாம் பூஜ்யாம தர்ப்பயாம நமः. शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं दरिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत्. अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे. गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्तमम्. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनम्. ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सरोजनं मे वस्मानये स्वाहा. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सरोजनं मे वस्मानये स्वाहा. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सरोजनं मे वस्मानये स्वाहा. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वस्मानये स्वाहा. ह्रीङ्कारातनगर्भितां नरसिकां सौः क्लीं गणां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णाम्बरधारिणी वरदुधादौतां त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकपादमङ्कुशधरां सृग्भूषितामुज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकलां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीम्. अस्य श्रीशुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी वरुणादित्यऋषि दैवी गायत्री छन्दसात्विककार भट्टारकपीठस्थित महाकामेश्वराङ्गलया महाकामेश्वरी ललितापरा भट्टारिका देवता ऐं वीर्यं क्लीं शक्तिः सौ कीलकं मम खड्गसिद्ध्यते सदभीष्टसिद्ध्यते जपे विनियोगः. ऐं मङ्गुष्टाभ्यां नमः क्लीं तज्जनीभ्य नमः सौः मध्यमाभ्य नमः सौः नामकाभ्य नमः क्लीं कनिटिकाभ्य नमः ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः ऐं हृदयाय नमः क्लीं हृदयद्वासौ सिकाविषसौ गवयाय क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय औषध ऐं मस्राय फट् भूभुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः. ध्यानं साधुसङ्गमाप्नोति येन हस्तस्थितेन वै अष्टादशमादिपादं भोक्ता भविष्यति. आरक्ताभां त्रिनेत्रां मरणमुसरां रद्ददाटङ्करम्यां हस्ताम्बोजैतपासाङ्कुशं मदनधनसायिकैर्विस्फुरन्तीम् आपीनोत्तुङ्गवक्षोरः कलतुरस्तारहारोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं ध्यायेदम्बोरस्तां मरणमुसराम् ईश्वरीम् ईश्वराणाम् लमिद्यादिपद्यपूजां कुर्यात् यथाशक्तिमूलमन्त्रं जपेत्. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं गैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकरह्रीं लं पृथिव्यात्मने सत्सङ्गं गन्धं कल्प्या नमः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं गैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकरह्रीं हम् आकाशात्मने इन्द्रियनिग्रहं पुष्पं कल्प्या नमः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं गैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकरह्रीं रं यं वायुव्यात्मने अरिषद्वर्गविसर्जनं धूपं कल्प्या नमः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकरह्रीं रं तेजात्मने चित्कलादीपं कल्प्या नमः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकरह्रीं वं पृथत्वात्मने शिवशक्तिसामरस्यं नैवेद्यं कल्प्या नमः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकरह्रीं सं कालात्मने मनोलयम् आनन्दकर्पूर नीराजनं कल्प्या नमः. ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं 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 क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ॐ नमः त्रिपुरसुन्दरी हृदयदेवी शिरोदेवी शिखादेवी कवचदेवी नेत्रदेवी अत्रदेवी कामेश्वरी भगमालिनी नित्यक्लिन्ने पेरुण्डे भग्निवासी महावज्रेश्वरी शिवदूते तुरते गुरुसुन्दरी नित्ये नीलपताके विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामालिनी चित्रे मानित्ये परमेश्वर परमेश्वरी विद्रेशमयि षष्ठीशमयि उड्डीशमयि चर्यानाथमयि लोपामुद्रामयि अगद्यमयि गारदापरमयि धर्माचार्यमयि मुक्तकीर्तीश्वरमयि दीपकलानाथमयि विष्णुदेवमयि प्रभाकरदेवमयि तेजोदेवमयि मनोदेवमयि कल्याणदेवमयि वासुदेवमयि रत्नदेवमयि श्रीरामानन्दमयि अणिमासिद्धे लघिमासिद्धे गरिमासिद्धे महिमासिद्धे तित्वसिद्धे वसित्वसिद्धे प्राकामसिद्धे भुक्तिसिद्धे इच्छासिद्धे प्राप्तिसिद्धे सर्वकामसिद्धे ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी कौमारी वैष्णवी वाराही माहेन्द्री चामुण्डे महालक्ष्मी सर्वदंक्षोमणि सर्वविद्रावणी सर्वाकृष्णी सर्वशङ्करी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वमहाङ्कुशे सर्वकेतरी सर्वबीजे सर्वयोने सर्वत्रिखण्डे त्रैलोक्यमोहनचक्रस्वामिनि प्रकटयोगिनी कामाकृष्णी बुद्ध्याकृष्णी अहङ्काराकृष्णी शब्दाकृष्णी स्वत्ताकृष्णी रूपाकृष्णी रसाकृष्णी गन्धाकृष्णी चित्ताकृष्णी धैर्याकृष्णी स्मृत्याकृष्णी नामाकृष्णी बीजाकृष्णी आत्माकृष्णी अमृताकृष्णी शरीराकृष्णी सर्वासा परिपूरकचक्रस्वामिनि गुप्तयोगिनी अनङ्गकुसुमे अनङ्गमेखले अनङ्गमदने अनङ्गमदनात्रे अनङ्गरेखे अनङ्गवेगिनी अनङ्गाङ्कुते अनङ्गमालिनी सर्वसंक्षोभणचक्रस्वामिनि गुप्ततरयोगिनी सर्वसंक्षोभणी सर्वविद्रावणी सर्वाकृष्णी सर्वाक्रादिनी सर्वसम्मोहिनी सर्वस्तंभिनी सर्वजृम्भिणी सर्वशङ्करी सर्वरञ्जनी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वार्थसाधिके सर्वसम्पत्तिपूरिणी सर्वमन्त्रमयी सर्वद्वन्द्वशयङ्करी सर्वसौभाग्यदायकचक्रस्वामिनि सम्प्रदाययोगिनी सर्वसिद्धिप्रदे सर्वसम्पत्प्रदे सर्वप्रियङ्करी सर्वमङ्गलकारिणी सर्वकामप्रदे सर्वदुःखविमोचिनी सर्वमृत्युप्रशमनी सर्वविघ्ननिवारिणी सर्वाङ्गसुन्दरी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी सर्वार्थसाधकचक्रस्वामिनि कुलोत्तीर्णयोगिनी सर्वज्ञे सर्वशक्ते सर्वैश्वर्यप्रदायिनी सर्वज्ञानमयी सर्वव्याधिविनाशिनी सर्वाधारस्वरूपे सर्वपापहरे सर्वानन्दमयी सर्वईप्सितप्रदे सर्वरक्षाकरचक्रस्वामिनि निगर्भयोगिनी. Hope you all enjoyed the music. That was my favorite kirtan. From now onwards, before I come, you'll definitely enjoy such music. I also lost myself when I started late 3 minutes. I was here right in front of you, but I didn't want to stop that legendary voice. सर्वे स्थितबलप्रदे सर्वरक्षाकरचक्रस्वामिनि निगर्भयोगिनी. सर्वे स्थितबलप्रदे. Mostly 95% of our day, she is fulfilling our wishes how every thought that comes will materialize mostly. I want to eat, I ate. You want to listen to the satsangam, you are listening. So sarva eepsida prade means whatever comes through the thought will materialize. This is the dangerous thing. One day or other. So I have a bounded responsibility to control my thought. She is the one who is controlling, who is giving the thought, but at the same time, she is giving and he says, you are responsible for what is happening. That's very unfair, right? But that's a rule. She is the one who is giving, and whatever we think, it's going to materialize. So how am I going to control? That's what the previous avarana says. And the next avarana also comes. Vashini Kametri. I am manifesting in a form of thought. I am reinforcing in the form of word. I am further reinforcing whatever we call fate in the form of action. Thought, word, action. Before that, she is there. Here is the game. She is the one who is giving the thought. Ipsita. But then, now that I know the trick of the game, what should I do? Sarvam Krishnatpanam. Even the thought also that is why greatest tyagam is going to come. Arune, Jaini, Arune. The greatest tyagam is going to come. I just need to focus only on Kalau Namasmaranam. In the previous yugas, for getting the realization and moksha, you have to do a tapas in one yuga. You have to do yajna in another yuga. You have to do pujas in another yuga, Dwapara yuga. But in Kali Yuga, Kalau Namasmaranam, how to protect ourselves from the Maya as frequently as possible. You tell the name of the mother. I can call Sonia also, thinking about mother. Then Sonia becomes my mother. Is a thought that matters. I may call Saraswati, Saraswati, Lakshmi, Lakshmi, and think about Sonia, then Saraswati becomes Sonia. The bhavana matra santushta hrudayaya namaha. Manasa vacha, I need to get connected. That is one. That's why mantras you take from a guru. And I'm clean, so clean, my mind clean, so clean, my mind clean, so clean. Is it possible in the samsara? If Dr. Pavanil keep on saying, who will do the surgeries? I'm clean, so clean, my love, oh, lovely. Then I need to come to the world. Then, next avarana, Vagdevatas. I need to select the syllables in such a way that they connect to the divinity. And then the communication principle come. Sattvika, Sarasa, Klupta, Sallapa, Mrudumadhura Sambhashana. Sattvika, Klupta. Sattvika means always in a very soft and positive speech. Klupta, talk less, talk low, talk slow. These are the principle. Dr. Vinayak asked me how to protect ourselves from Maya. This is the answer. Talk less, talk slow, talk low. Even if I talk, before the Para Pashanti Madhyama Vaikhari, before the Vaikhari, do some sadhana. As I told you, Matruga Bijanyasam, Am Nama, Am Nama, Im Nama, Im Nama, Om Nama, Om Nama, Rum Nama, Rum Nama, Rum Nama, Rum Nama. We just, I think, the first week of Khadgamala, we learned it, right? So that you, from forward, reverse, you practice 100%. This is helping me. I'm not saying I'm completely winning over this. No. Every day during my Gayatri Sandhya, I take a walk, spiritual walk from A to Ksha, Ksha to A. Then the more you walk, your sugar will increase. The normal walk, the sugar will come down. The more you walk, your sweetness in the speech will increase. Vijay is looking, what is this? Sugar will increase? Yes, sweetness will increase. The murdu madhura sallapa sambhashana klupta. So all I have to do is worship this deity in the form of sound. How many times you recited A to Ksha, Ksha to A? That's more than enough. As much as possible. And that controls your mind. And mind and then thought, you'll be not going behind the thought, but you'll be holding the legs of the mother. I mean, your awareness is continuously connected with mother. So that the thought, they don't matter. The thoughts will not be controlled. No, they cannot be lessened. No, they will come. The more you think, I need to reduce my thought, that will becomes a bigger thought for you. The only thing is, number one, mantra japam. As much as possible when you are sitting alone, mantra japam. Number two, principle of communication, talk less, talk slow, talk low. Number three, do a matrika nyasam on a daily basis. Again, if you want, I can send the audio file. Just listen to that. A to Ksha, Ksha to A. And that will make you select so nice words. It's called Nada Samyogam, Nadopasana. You heard that Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna, they are all Saraswati Putras. They did Nadopasana. That's why Shanil was looking, wow, what a sound. So, Sarva Ipsida Balaprade, whatever you think, all the mothers, if you scold your baby child, if you don't read well, you're going to not get any job and then you will be jobless, wandering on the road. Trust me, it will become one day true for that jiva. If not in this life, one life. So I need to control my, just because God has given my voice, I cannot blabber whatever I need. So, Sarvi Ipsida Balaprade. Phalam Ipsitam Apnuyat. Satyanarayana Puja. Idam phalam maya devam sabitam purasattavatena me sapala vapti bhave janmani. Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha. Manopalam samarpayami. Ipsita phalam apnuyat. Please control my thought and see that they are always helping me in going in the right path and then fulfill the thought. Not, that's why Satsankalpa Siddhyartham. In the beginning also, if you observe me, Mama Khadga Siddhyarthe, Sadabhishta Siddhyarthe, I said. Sat Abhishta Siddhyarthe. So, Sarvipsita Palaprade, Sarvara Kshakara Chakra Swamini Nigarbha Yogini. This is the beautiful word. Mother, Nigarbha Yogini. The one who protected the fetus in the mother's womb is Lalita, Nigarbha Yogini. See, if you see the Yogini Devatas, first one is Prakata Yogini, open. Module 1, Module 2, open for everybody. Then comes the test. You need to complete Ganapati Bala. Gupta Yogini, Gupta Tara Yogini, then Sampradaya, rituals, traditions, Sampradaya Yogini, then Kundalini Yoga, Kulottirna Yogini. Now goes further deep, Nigarbha Yogini. So you're going to the inner layers of the cosmos, where you see the atom, Anoraniyan Mahat. You want to experience the Mahat, but in the name of experience the Mahat, you are going deeper inside and seeing the minute protection, minute miracles that are happening. What more miracle you want? A small drop becoming a form like this and speaking. Now, isn't it a great miracle? Nigarbhayogini. You are the one who protected me in mother's womb, and you are the one who is protecting me now completely. So this is up to this. There is a game. I don't know whether you played or not. You have a pillar. Nalugu stambala ata, they say in Telugu. 4 pillars. The people, boys will be, the children will be running. Whoever holds the pillar, if somebody touches, they are not out. If you leave the pillar and you run, anybody touches, you are out. Same thing. In the beginning, you are out anytime. But here, Nigarbhayogini, you are always protected because you are very close to mother. She is protecting you. How? The one who is doing a Sri Vidya Upasana, Apamrityu Nivaranam. She promised in Chandi Kavacham. Apamrityu Nivaranam. Mitra Bandhu Viyogam in the most painful way will not happen. Normal death we cannot avoid. And whenever you want food, there'll be some food there. Someone will be inviting you. So unseen hands, you will be protected always from this point. So you don't need to worry. Previously, I need to worry. Lockdown, I didn't receive salary for 2 months. What's going to happen? How am I going to pay EMI? That is up to 3rd avarna, 4th avarna. 5th avarna, Modi will announce. Nobody can ask you to vacate. Nobody can demand rent from you. Nigarbhayogini, protection. So the unseen protection is coming from every time. If you, the doctors will know, immunity, autoimmune system or something like that. So it continuously protects you. Nigarbhayogini. Next come Vashini. It is actually at Vishuddhi Chakra. These 8 devatas are called Vagdevatas. Vashini. There is a lot of difference. Same word we heard before. Sarva Vashankari. Vashini. Right? What is this Vasham? Paravasham. Vasini. Paravasham. Now no longer you are in the hands of the world. The world doesn't bother you anymore. You are in the hands of mother. Paravasham. So you'll be there. Vashini means you'll be there. You are not controlling anybody. You're completely under the control. Your mind, everything, you'll be given, you'll be handing over everything to her. And you'll be in the Paravasham. Physically, you'll be there. There's a seventh avarna? Yeah, 7th avarna. Physically, you are there. But nothing affects you. And that's one. Vashini. Because of your power, by getting attached to mother continuously, you will be also captivating the world around you. Jaganmohanakara, Jaganmohini, all these words come from there. By Rupa, Guna, Lavanya, Bhashana. Rupa, Guna, Lavanya, Bhashana. All these qualities, the world will be attracted to you, but you are not bothered. Previously, you are worried about likes and shares. No more likes, because you are liked by her. When you are liked by her, then what is the worry about how many likes I have got? So the whole world will be at your feet, but you are not bothered. Vasini, Kameshwari. See, in the previous chapter, Avarna also, Sarva Kama Pradayini, Sarva Dukha Vimochani. Kama was there, desire. Immediately, Dukkha was there. Now look at this Avarna. Kameshwari, Modini, Anandam. Wow. The same karma, how can it is giving anandam? That karma is different, this karma is different. Sarva kama pradayini. Whatever you want in this external life, even controlling of the five elements will be granted. But this kamam is the ardent desire to be one with her. Kameshwari. Netallenura madana. I can't bear this separation. I want to be united. Kameshwari. So continuously, yogino yoga dhyayanti nityana. Some Ganapati Atharvashesham also, you heard about that, right? Dhyanagamya aparichedya. The yogis also, they don't have want anything in the world, but they want the union with her. With her means with the cosmos, with what is created by her. So why? Because the previous Sarvakameshwari is not permanent joy, but this one, Vasini Kameswari, Kama Ishwari. Kama, the one which agitates the mind, Manmadha, Shiva, Ishwari. So now closely, Shiva Padam, Shakti Padam, Shiva Shakti Samarasya Padam. The Anandam we are going to enjoy. What I need to do for that? Even though I am in the samsara, constantly I need to yearn for Tahataha Ladal antaru Telugulo. Yearn for being one with her. Not physically going there in a flight and meeting her. No. Whatever I see, this is the world you have given to me. I will never blame this world. I will never blame these people. I will never blame my life. I will never find fault with your creation. Everything is perfect, Amma. Only thing is, by being in a different form, limited form, I'm not able to bear this separation. Even though you're in me, the world before me, we were created by you, is so captivating and diverting my mind. Control the world. Control my mind. Vashini, take it in your control so that I'll be one with you. Then comes Modini, the bliss. This bliss is Modini. Because that is not a normal desire. That is Dukkha Vimodini. This is Modini. Kameshwari, Modini. So, Vasini. In the body, Vasini. Kameshwari. So, this is the union point. In between this Ajna and the union point, Sahasrara, is Kameshwari. So, imagine Kameshwari is, you want to meet her. You are in deep love with somebody. And you have not seen her also. Pen friendship. WhatsApp friendship. These are all WhatsApp friendship only, no? So you haven't seen her, but you are in love with her. And she said, I'm in the room. Come. And you are approaching that room. The room will be just opening. How will you feel? That is Kameshwari. Samayacharanideye. Samayacharam is here. Samayacharam is not muddy and acharam and no. Samayacharam is constantly meditating. No ritual, because ritual is also separating you from me. You are not this icon. You are not this flower. Everything is you. This is all separating me. I just want to merge with you. That is Kameshwari. I can't explain more than that. Eagerly waiting to see. Then Modini. Amodam, Modam, Pramodam. At that time, the Ajna Chakra, Modini, the time stops. That's why I wish everybody should love a person. Even now, it's not too late. You can love a person, your wife, your husband, whoever it may be. Love and deep love. At that time when you see that person, time stop. No talk. Bliss is that. You don't know. Hours will run. That is Modini. The greatest joy doesn't need any expressions. I love you. No. Valentine's Day. No. Every moment is a Valentine moment. That bliss is Modini. Vasini, Kameswari, Modini. Again, if you go into the letters, im, om, marum, em, om, are bloom. Vashini Vagdevataye Namah. Vashini is female, mother. So all the Matruka Bijas are coming. Kama, desire. How the desire comes? When there is a separation, there the desire comes. When the separation means male and female is there. So next one is a male. Kang kang gang gang gang. Kalahrim. Kameshwari Vagdevataye Namah. Kameshwari. Then comes female again. Chen 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 yam bleem Modini Vagdevataya Namaha. Who is here? Dattatreya. Male. Tan 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 nam. Ilium Vimala Vagdevataya Namaha. So when you Modini, when you are in the blissful state, there is no malina. All the vikara. What is vikara? I need it. Vikara is not anger. These are all gone. In the first two avaranas, they're gone. I need this. I want it. That vikara rahita sthiti. There is no expression. Beyond expression, there is only pure ananda, rasa. Nirmala spatika akaram. Spatika kritim. Spatika bhasam. Like a pure crystal you will be. Enjoying that purity. Vimala. That means she is definition of purity. And once you are in union with her, all the malas would have been removed. She removes. Nirmama mamatantri nishpapa papanasini. Let us now. Right? So, Vimale. Where comes Vimale? Vashini Kameshwari Modini Vimale. Your speech will be pure. Vaksuddhi is Vimale. Purity of speech. How can the purity of speech can be established? When the purity of thought is there. When the purity of thought, when the purity of speech is there, then the action automatically becomes pure. Because you are connected with the purity. Apavitra pavitrova sarva vastangatopava yasmare pundarikaksham sabahya abhyantara tuchihi. I can see the Modini also. I want to share one thing. People are there as long as they are. Today, one Sai devotee called me. I'm not ritualistic. I just do meditation. And I told, everybody is ritualistic. Why do you think taking shower is not a ritual? Why do you think eating food is not a ritual? Sleeping is not a ritual. We misquoted the word. Only whatever I do in the puja room and before the God in that icon, that is ritual. Rest of the room, what do you call that? Activity? Everything is ritual. Behind every ritual, there is a meditation because unless the thought is there, the ritual will not be there. So you are both ritualistic and meditative. Everybody. You don't need to attend any spiritual class for that. You are born with that. Why don't we understand? Why do we separate spirituality and materialistic? As long as the spirit is inside, everything is spirituality only. If the spirit is not there, even the puja is materialistic, matter. The Sri Yantra becomes a matter, that one which has mass and occupies space. When the bhavana is there, it becomes liquid, flow. It flows from here to here. Then you will become gaseous. Sarva Kechari. Only today, I helped my grandson. What are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, gases. And that is only because my mother wanted to speak to you. Now I understand why I helped him in the homework. So there is nothing like spirituality. So Modini, whether I am in the puja, whether I am in the satsang, whether I am in a temple or before Guru, or whether I am in a group of people, there is no liking, there is no disliking. Always you are happy and maintain that happiness level. That is Modini. There is no then Vimala. There is no Mala. There is no impurity. You don't find any impurity. If you have impurity only, you find impurity. That you know, the rule. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Dharmaraja was sent by Krishna to find a bad person. He couldn't find. Everybody is good. And Duryodhana couldn't find any good person. You know that. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. So anytime you find fault with the world, immediately go to doctors and check up. There is something wrong with you. Or you check up yourself. Problem is here. So Vimala means purity. Then comes Arune. There is Surya Sthanam. Arune. What are the words? Tan 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 tham dam dham nam. Shivrim. Aruna Vagdevataya Namah. Aruna is sacrifice. Previously, renunciation means, okay, I don't want to see new movies. I don't want comfort. I eat only one time food. This much only. One time only, no? This much. At night times, I eat only this much fruits. That is not renunciation. This Aruna is Visesha Rajo Viraja. The greatest sacrifice you can do is to be free from body influence. I'm not connected to the body. So my guru, I think I taught some people also, my guru helped me in teaching me that Virada Homa every day. More particularly when you think that you are being carried away by the materialistic actions and carried away by the mala, vikaras like anger, impurities, why should I find fault? Even with administration also. My Guruji used to, why do you bother? I used to have a little bit argument with him. No, Pita, it has, no, she will take. Pitadipati is Sahasrakshi. Why do you bother? I couldn't understand that. Even now I am not able to understand. That's the moham she will give. So even though it is vritti rupena, I cannot have that mala. So for that I need to do a Virada Homam. This is Aruna is Visesha Raja, the great Sindhurarana Vigraham. In a few days we are going to start. That word is coming. Sindhura Aruna Vigraham. Jnana Sindhura. Sindhura is sacrifice. That renunciation, Aruna is Jnana. There. But here, Aruna is the greatest sacrifice. Rajoguna. Visesha Rajoguna. I'm censoring some words which is coming because I'm live. So, Rajas, Visesha Rajas is this one. I hope you understand. So, my guru taught me how do you do that every day, preferably, or at least once in 15 days. Sit down on the floor or lie down on the bed and imagine your death completely. body lying on the floor, toes tied together with a cloth. I'm talking about South Indian culture. I don't know other cultures. Forgive me, Stephen, because I'm brought up in this environment. So, hands kept on the chest. Some time back, I touched some dead body, so I know how it will be cold, like wood, and I should feel that in my body. Still, and then they pour water on me, and slowly this face losing the radiance because the prana shakti has gone, soul is root going round and round and round somewhere there. It had not been released completely from this layer. So people are crying. You see all these things. And a great house where you are, which you have built, you're outside the house under a shamiana. If you are lucky, otherwise you'll be on the road. They carry you, they burn you. See the burning also, chest burning, feeling of oozing of that rosy pink liquid called blood, and exposure of this bone, everything you visualize. Hair getting burned, skull breaking, and this flesh coming out. This is life. Every time you do, but still you come back and then watch Amazon Prime Video. That's fine. That is different. This is different. But this one will protect you. Visesha Rajo Homam. Every time you do, but you know that this is not what I need. Yet I do. Under the guidance. So Aruna is Visesha Rajas. Every time I need to tell myself, I am not confined to this body. I am belonging to the greater environment called cosmos, call it universal mother. I belong to her. In fact, I am her. So being her, I need not have this many vikaras. I need to sacrifice my vikaras. That is the Aruna. Vimale, Arune, Jaini. Where is the victory coming? Victory over my imprisonment. I'm no longer imprisoned in my body. The greatest relief, Vishrunkala, Vignasta, Viramada, Vyatprasu, Vishrunkala. Previously, my handcuff. Who put the handcuffs? Me. I crossed my limits of responsibility. I went into passion. I thought I'm the only one who has to bring up my children. I'm the only one who has to build my empire. These are my handcuffs. Now I know it's not me. I just need to see. Everything will be done. So Vishrunkala. And the victory over my confinement to a particular entity or a place or a relationship or an environment, everything, limitation, victory or limitation is called Jaini. So see you tomorrow, same time, 3 o'clock. Srimatra.